Hello my spooky fam, Rocio Jimenez Cosplay here, back with another video. Today we're going to the last day of Sherwood Forest Fair for 2023, and I'm going to be doing a cosplay transformation for a slime mushroom witch look. So let's go ahead and get started by putting on our green contacts. Now that our contacts are on, I did prime my face, so I'm going to go ahead and do concealer. I'm just covering all of the acne that I have because I've been breaking out a ton lately. I then go ahead and I apply some setting spray on my sponge, and then I blend in all of that concealer. I'm going to go ahead and put up my hair up because we're going to be doing a lot of makeup. Now I'm doing some foundation. I use the Amazonian Clay foundation from Tarte. It's by far my favorite foundation ever. Highly recommend it. It's nice and thick, but at the same time, not that thick. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with a brush. I do put some setting spray on my brush prior to blending it in. I noticed that it just makes it look a lot more seamless and smooth, as you can tell just by looking at it. It just makes it look less cakey in my opinion. I then put on some powder. This is just like an e.l.f. bronzer from e.l.f. that I used like as a powder for some reason. And then I went ahead and I did some bronzer afterwards, and now I'm doing my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil, just making them brown, my normal eyebrow color, and I'm going to put some setting spray over that, and then I'm going to go ahead and do some eye primer, and I use the one from P. Louise. Absolutely love and recommend. Since we're doing a different look, I didn't put on blush or anything like that, so I skipped that step. Now we're doing some eyeshadow. I'm doing a purple eyeshadow because my outfit is purple and green, so I want to continue having that like slimy purple witch look, but at the same time, you know, we're gonna be incorporating the green in like a huge chunk here that you'll see very soon and people absolutely loved. So just go ahead and blend in your eyeshadow very well. I just did a circular eyeshadow, no flare, no wing, as y'all know I normally do that, but I wanted just to do a very simple look, and because I am going to be outside at Ren Fair, I want to make sure that it's nice and packed on there so it stays on all day. So after my eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and do some of my face. So the face portion, I just used a green liquid liner. It wasn't anything fancy. It was a liquid liner from Amazon, just to do like the slime drippings. And I'm just drawing that on all the way from my, like the middle of my ear all the way to the other side of the ear, also in the middle. And as you can see, there it ends, so I'm just doing the line with this. After I grabbed some bright lime green eyeshadow, and we're just blending all that in. This portion takes quite some time. It's a very like glittery type of eyeshadow, so it does pop really nicely, and it gives me that slime kind of feel that I wanted. I highly recommend using something that looks very shiny and glittery to kind of give it that like slimy glossy type look without having to add too many details, which I will be adding details here very soon. But yeah, more like a lime kind of eyeshadow color, and you're just going to pack that on. You're going to do multiple layers over and over again so you don't see your skin, and just blend that in super nicely. Put it in between the creases of all the little slime lines that you did there, and I'm doing it all the way up to my eyes, my waterline, as you can see, and then just like to the top bridge of my nose. So go through that, and that's gonna be quite a process, and then we'll go in with detailing. Now that took a while, so I grabbed some white liquid liner, also nothing fancy, just from that shitty pack that I bought from the Amazon listing. And I'm so sorry, I totally forgot to zoom out, but as you can see, I'm adding just kind of some highlights with it, you know, on the slime portions. If you look at like slime in like a digital type version, you can see that there is versions where it's like just like there's detailing like that where it's like slime is kind of dripping and it's glossy, and that's kind of the look I wanted to give it. And then I brought in another eyeshadow. It was green also, but it was like a darker green, and I started adding a little bit of shadows with it. As you can see, like towards the bottom near the white, you could kind of see it there. I then added some glitter glue on my eyelids and put on some purple glitter to go with the purple eyeshadow. Glitter glue was also just from Amazon, and the glitter is from Amazon as well, but it is actual glitter for the eyes, so beware, don't just use cheapy type glitter. So yeah, I just applied that really nicely, and it definitely made the look even more awesome. And then I applied some false eyelashes with some glue because I wanted to make sure that they stay on all day. These ones were from a previous cosplay that I did, and they had some white mascara on them. So the mascara was also just from Amazon. I felt like it would give it more of a whimsical type look, and I was absolutely obsessed with it. So I just made sure to adjust that and put those on super nicely, but highly recommend. These ones are super flared out, so with that white mascara, it was absolutely gorgeous. So after that, I went ahead and I just did some like setting spray, and then I did some white eyeliner on my, what is it called? My waterline, sorry, some white eyeliner on my waterline, also just from Amazon, nothing fancy. It is an eyeliner though, and I felt like that would kind of, go really well with the slime look. And then I just reapplied some of that white mascara that I was talking about on my lashes, the false ones, and then I also did it on my bottom lashes. I used the mascara to glue the false lashes on there, so that's why I applied more. But as you can see, it looks really nice, especially with the white eyeliner that I did. So after that, we went ahead and just like did the lipstick, which I completely forgot to record, which was like a purpley type lipstick, and then I just mixed that in, and it came out pretty cute. And then I did some like glittery type lipstick on top, and that's pretty much the look. Let's go to the reveal. That pretty much sums up this look. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time, my spooky fam. Bye!